Welcome to day 13 of the Etsy Hacks 30-day challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very quick hack that will solve any issues you have when people leave reviews, but they use an image that maybe of something that you didn't sell to them. Maybe they bought something else from your store and by mistake they added a product from a different store. This has happened to me quite a few times, and you can actually hide the image. So all you need to do is go to that particular review that you want to hide the image. So let's say that the image that they put here doesn't match with what you sell in your store. Or maybe that particular product you don't sell anymore and it's out of stock, you don't plan to sell it no more, and you want to hide this photo from buyers. That's optional. You could do that if you want. Now, the particular service that you bought will still remain there, so whatever photo you use as your Etsy photo will be there. But the photo that the customer share, you have the option to hide this photo from buyers. So all you have to do is, I'm not going to do it on this particular listing here, but all you have to do is click right here where it says hide this photo from buyers. When you click there, it will hide that photo and no one else will be able to see it, especially if they're putting a photo of something that they really didn't buy in your store. Maybe they gave you a 5-star review, but the photo is from a different store that they shopped at. So this is how simple it is to hide a photo from your Etsy reviews. Let me know if you knew about this hack. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget, guys, show me some love by liking, commenting, and sharing. I'll see you in the next Etsy hack video.